We about to eat a mukbang. When they do that. Why is this not focusing? It always focuses with the camera. Look at this. This is insane. This is the real tea. Oh, we got some crab legs. Some crab legs. You might not know how to handle this. I'm gonna use some of the small ones. Here, I don't know if you really deal with that one first. Snow crab. We got some snow crab too, y'all. We got some snow crab. This is snow crab. This is king crab. What's the water bottle? Okay. And then we got some corn. Anything you want to put in here, you can. This is the sauce. I'm gonna actually roll it down some. This is the sauce. So say you want to put your corn in there. You just dip the corn in. Yeah, I just ate a clam and Storm was like, I don't know what you just did. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is his first time. Look at him. Don't he look like the first time they're eating corn? Boy, eat the seafood. He trying to stay safe. And then this the shrimp, of course. I love that shrimp. It's a good flavor. Don't be getting juices all over the kitchen. Shrimp is smacking. It's burning my hand. It's spicy, huh? I told you I get medium because I don't like to get mild. We give it cotton and it's juice. I'll probably need that one too. Oh my gosh, man. I hope it ain't that spicy. I finally got a shrimp off. We're gonna dip that. The clam would be the one. Hey, the clam Storm was like, I don't know what you just did. Ate that baby right off.
You ate the shell?
You eat what's inside the shell, like this. You see this? I got some juice. You eat what's inside the shell. It looks good when you put the juice. Let me use your first one, Storm, on camera. Here. Hold it. You got a bunch of juice on there. You just eat it off. It's good. Yeah, that's how you think it's good. You can try the mussels.
You mean like mussels?
Mussels that come out the ocean, wherever they get them from. Sure.
Those are fish?
It's a seafood. Yeah. Mussels, clams. You probably seen clams on SpongeBob. You need some more juice or no? What you need? Here goes a mussel. Yeah, this is the mussel. Maybe one too. Like smack. So big, the whole thing. No, you trying to watch it. I mean, not that. You can leave that there. Jesus Christ. You about to eat the shell.
Is that the shell?
You gotta eat that little part. You know the part that don't really come off.
That doesn't come off?
Not really, if you look at it. This is pretty much how they are. I have them made. Now the king crabs for me. We got so much meat in that. What?
Nothing.
You scared? scared of it? What did you think about the clams and the mussels?
Oh, good.
Seafood, if you think about it too much, you won't enjoy it. Seafood is something you just eat. Especially like the clams and the mussels. It's good. Yeah, this burning your lips. It's a little spicy. It's too spicy for you?
No. It's hard.
Some people are fancy and they have crab crackers, but most people crack them with their teeth. But they be safe with it. If you don't eat all that, I'm gonna eat it. This stuff too can. Ray, you sitting there digging that out with your finger. I ain't never seen nobody eating a crab like that. You can people understand how to crack it open. You have to be careful. I mean, you don't just bite into it. Would you get mad, Storm?
Huh?
Would you get mad or just a game?
Of the corn?
It's all the same.
No.
Yeah. It's a little spicy, yeah. It's a little spicy. You ain't gonna eat no more mussels or clams? That's so neat. Yeah. A lot of that's meat. You put the meat right there?
Yeah.
You don't like the juice? Too spicy? I don't know. I'll be scared to get them out. I feel like it ain't gonna have no spice. But who wants seafood with no spice? I guess you some kids. Dang. Son over here going crazy. Told you, like, that's what I was trying to explain to you before. That I be getting mad when it be spicy. I don't know why. I mean, medium. I feel like the shrimp is harder to peel for some reason right now. The snow crab, they don't have as much meat as the pig. Well, it still got meat. You ain't messing with the clams and the mussels? Why? You gotta try. You don't like it?
It's alright.
I got a feeling you even trip. I be trying to get you to try new things. Sometimes you ain't gonna like certain type of things till you get older. I didn't really like salmon as a kid at all. I thought it was the nastiest thing until a sushi chef convinced me. Look at you, son. You even got in it, huh?
I love shrimp brownie.
Yeah. That's how it be. That's what made it good.
It's just a bite and done.
Most people don't use that fancy. You like the shrimp?
Yeah.
Swear doesn't want to eat any more clams and mussels. So I don't like the clams. We'll see. I should have knew the texture. He wasn't gonna like it. It's seafood though. That's probably how octopus gonna be. We're supposed to try octopus, guys. Storm's not here for the shenanigans, and that's not good.